Hi guys, today we have another unboxing and this one is a big one. First, but I don't know what is inside. You maybe know it, but I don't know. Oh, it's this one. It's bigger than I thought, but it's quite nice. I have the Transformer one. Oh, it feels nice. Let's pop his head. His arms are movable. And it turns not that great. Yeah, it turns like a Rubik's Cube. And it has zero corner cutting. But it is nice. It's Spider-Man and I love Spider-Man. Yeah, it's nice addition to my collection. First we will open this one. I maybe know what it's inside. Maybe. Yeah, and I open one package and there's another packaging inside. Yeah, it's the Kelvin's Puzzle Hunger Collection, as you can see. Yeah, it's the border. It turns quite well. It says Kelvin's Puzzle on the bottom, and it is quite nice. This one says Coke. Yeah, it has ice. And this one is French fries. It's nice puzzles, and they look amazing. The last one is again with the Dutch. I wonder what's inside. Oh, they are quite small. I expected them to be bigger. And the ball I expected to be smaller. Oh, it is. It has sponge inside, and you can move the balls like this. Yeah, I will probably solve it in the next video. Oh, it's Spinny Boy. I didn't know that. Cool. where does it go? Here. And then we have these ones. They are 9 puzzles from She, but they are kinda special. If I will open them, it's a cat. You have a little guide here, and dog. They are nice. Oh, they have this. They turn just like my Kotsky puzzles. You could saw them in my previous unboxing. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. And bye!